14th sum. Find the point on the locus of the point that are 3 units from x-axis and 5 units from the point 5, 1. Here it's clearly given 5 points from y-axis and 3 points from x-axis, isn't it? So we can have A is x, 3 and B is 5, 1. Okay, so P of x, 3 be the point and B of 5, 1 is given already. So now we want to find that distance of AB square. So from this we can have that AB square equal to 5 square, because the distance between this B and A is 5 units. So AB square equal to AB equal to 5, therefore AB square equal to 5 square. Now we can easily find the distance between this A and B, that is x minus 5 the whole square plus 3 minus 1 the whole square equal to 25. So if you expand this, we can have x square minus 10x plus 25, and here this 3 minus 1 is 2, the 2 square is 4, which is equal to 25. It's nothing but x square minus 10x plus 4 equal to 0. Therefore, we want to find the value of x from this. So, we couldn't find the factor for this. So, we can use the formula x equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So, here substitute all the values. Instead of b is 10 and here 10 square is 100 and 4 into a is 1 and c is 4 whole divided by 2 into 1, that is 2a. So here we can simplify this like this, so that we have 10 plus or minus root of 100 minus 16 by 2, which is nothing but 10 plus or minus root 84 by 2. And then we can split this 84 as 2 root 21 and then take 2 as common factor, that is 2 into 5 plus or minus root 21 divided by 2. We can cancel 2 and 2. Therefore, we have the value 5 plus or minus root 21. The points are 5 plus root 21, 3, and the other point is 5 minus root 21, 3. So now we have to calculate for both the points there. So we can take this as case 1 and case 2 here. So first the case 1 is A of minus x, minus 3 be the point and 5, 1 be the given point here. Now this is for the case of minus x, minus 3, isn't it? The first case we found for x, 3. This is the second case for finding minus x, minus 3. So here also AB is 5, therefore AB square equal to 25. So the distance between AB is 5 plus x the whole square plus 1 plus 3 the whole square equal to 25. So by using the formula a plus b the whole square, we have 25, 254 x square plus 10x plus 25, and then for the next one 1 plus 3 is 4 here, so 4 square is 16 here, and take this 25 to the other side, it will become as minus 25. Now we can cancel this 25 and 25, so that we have x square plus 10x plus 16 equal to 0. Here also we want to find the value of x. We couldn't factorize, so we are going to use the same formula x equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Again substitute the values of a, b, c here. That is nothing but minus 10 plus or minus root of 100 minus 4 into 1 into 16 divided by 2 into 1. Which is equal to minus 10 plus or minus root of 100 minus 64 divided by 2. So that is minus 10 plus or minus root 36 by 2 here. Therefore 10 plus or minus 6 divided by 2. So here plus or minus 2 is here. So we want to find the points like this. That is x equal to minus 10 plus 6 by 2. That is nothing but minus 4 by 2. If we cancel, we can have minus 2. And the other one is minus 10 minus 6 by 2. That is minus 16 by 2. If you cancel this, we can have minus 8. So the points are minus 2 comma minus 3 and minus 8 comma minus 3. The required points are minus 2 comma minus 3, minus 8 comma minus 3 and 5 plus root 21 comma 3, 5 minus root 21 comma 3. 15th sum. The sum of the distance of a moving point from the points 4 comma 0 and minus 4 comma 0 is always 10 units. The sum of the distance of a moving point from the point 4 comma 0 and minus 4 comma 0. Okay. Find the equation of the locus of the moving point. Here P of h comma k by any point that A is 4 comma 0 and B is minus 4 comma 0 is a given point. Now the sum of the distance of the two is PA plus PB equal to 10. So that PA is nothing but root of h minus 4 the whole square plus k minus 0 the whole square plus distance between PB is root of h plus 4 the whole square plus k minus 0 the whole square equal to 10. So here you want to take this second term to the other side so that it will become 10 minus root of h plus 4 the whole square plus k square. Squaring on both the sides we have in the left hand side we can remove this square root. On the right hand side a minus b the whole square we want to expand here. So a square is 100 and b square is h plus 4 the whole square plus k square minus 2ab is minus 20 root of h plus 4 the whole square plus k square. Okay, and then here if you expand this h plus 4 the whole square we have h square plus 16 plus 8h. So we can cancel the same thing from here also. So this and this will get cancelled, and one more thing, this k square is also that this k square is also we can get cancelled. So that in the left hand side simply we have 1. So that now we can take this 100 to the other side. So the remaining thing what we have there, keep this minus 8h as it is and take this plus 8h to the other side, it will become minus 8h, and take this 100 to the other side, it is minus 100. And here we have simply minus 20 root of h plus 4 the whole square plus k square. Okay, now simplify these two, we have minus 16h minus 100 equal to right hand side as it is now. We can divide by the whole equation by 4 now, so that we can have 4h plus 25 equal to 25 into root of h plus 4 the whole square plus h square. Squaring on both the sides we have 4h plus 25 the whole square equal to 25 into h plus 4 the whole square plus k square. So if you expand this by a plus b the whole square is 16h square plus 625 plus 200h equal to 25 into h square plus 16 plus 8h plus k square. Okay, if we want to remove the bracket here, so we can multiply all the terms by 25. So that we have 25h square plus 400 plus 200 plus 25 k square. Take everything to the left hand side so that we will get a small equation like this. If you simplify everything, we have this 9 minus 9h square minus 25k square plus 25 equal to 0. Then we can divide by minus symbol so that we have 9h square plus 25k square minus 225 equal to 0. So I want to get the proper equation. So divide by 225 on all the terms, so that we have h square by 25 plus k square by 9 equal to 1. So this is the equation in terms of h and k. We want to find the locus, isn't it? So we have to convert this hk in terms of x and y. That is nothing but x square by 25 plus y square by 9 equal to 1.